So today I'd like to tell you about an FVO 400 RC indirect heater. Let's start with the RC hood. It has the option of going underground for mining companies. So if they need to attach a 50 to 100 foot ducting on the RC hood, they can run it out of the mine to fresh air supply outside, which is a very popular feature among construction companies. The other option also with the airflow is it can get upwards of 4,000 to 4,500 CFM depending on your pump pressure and air gate settings, which is always adjusting due to climate control, whether it be minus 10 outside or 20 degrees on a summer day. Check the operation guide for more details on that. Also to stay on the airflow, it has a great feature on the front of the heater. It has the option of a 2x12 ducting option, as well as a 16 or 20-inch ducting capabilities as well for maximum airflow at all times, depending on the job description that it's being used for. It also has a 42-gallon tank, which has a 14 to 17-hour runtime, depending on your air gate and pump pressure, which also relates to the climate temperature at the time it's used. Now, one of the more popular features of the FVO 400 Indirect is our two 12-inch ductlets. It basically gives you the advantage of running heat into two different positions on the job site. You're simply getting in the bottom hole first. As you can see, once you get the pin lock in, it's very secure and safe. This is just a 25-foot ducting attached to it at the moment. You can go upwards of 50 to 100 feet as long as you don't overextend the bend or radius of the outlet. It also has a flat free tire, which is good for all services. It has the lifting pockets below the tank, so if a forklift has to grab it, or if you need to pick it up with the crane, we also have the lifting hook capabilities as well. And it also comes with a safe feature of a green and red indicator light. If you look at the power supply indicator sticker on the control box, it'll give you the details. So if you by chance have a bad extension cord, it's going to show you reverse polarity right off the bat so you don't damage any electrical features on the heater. And another cool feature about our indirect heater is we use a Putes hose system. Especially on an older heater, it helps distinguish if there's any issues with the pump by showing the flow of diesel as opposed to taking it apart and creating a sticky mess when there's an easier solution. But once again, that's in our troubleshoot guide in the manual.